In this video, you'll learn how to add links to your Squarespace navigation. Whether you're building a new website or updating an existing one, having a well-organized navigation menu is crucial for guiding visitors to the most important parts of your site. Today, I'll show you the simple steps to achieve this. First, let's navigate to the right place. From your Squarespace home menu, you want to click on Website and then select Pages. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to organizing and structuring the content of your site. It's essentially the control center for how visitors will interact with your website's layout and find the information they're looking for. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll see an area designated as Main Navigation. This is the primary menu that appears on your website, usually at the top of your page. It's the first thing most visitors will see, so it's important to make sure it's clear and easily navigable. To add a new link here, look for the little plus sign. It's located right next to Main Navigation. This plus sign is your gateway to adding new elements to your navigation menu. After clicking the plus sign, you'll be prompted to name your new link. This is where you immediately type the title of the link. The name you choose here should be concise yet descriptive enough to give your visitors a clear idea of what they'll find when they click. For instance, if you're linking to a blog, simply naming it blog should suffice. It's important to keep in mind that the navigation bar has limited space, so shorter names are usually more effective. Once you've named your link, the next step is to add the URL. This is the web address that your link will point to. It could be a page within your Squarespace site, or it could be an external site entirely. To do this, simply enter the full URL in the designated field. If you're linking to an internal page, Squarespace makes this easy by allowing you to search and select from your existing pages. If it's an external link, just make sure you've copied the exact URL from your web browser to avoid any errors. And there you have it. Once you've typed the title and added the URL, your new link will appear in the main navigation menu. It's that simple. Remember, you can always go back and edit or rearrange your links if needed. Having a clean, well-organized navigation bar will not only enhance the user experience, but also potentially improve your site's search engine optimization by making it easier for search engines to crawl your site. This quick guide has shown you how to add links to your Squarespace navigation effortlessly. By following these steps, you can ensure your website is intuitive and user-friendly. Thanks for watching and happy designing.